They told you to fit in, didn't they? To blend, to conform, to stay normal. But here's the kicker: normal is broke. But weird is wealthy. Now let's flip the whole game on its head. You felt it, haven't you? That pull to hide parts of yourself that doesn't exactly fit into the box that society gave you. The quirky laugh, the offbeat ideas, the dreams that make people raise their eyebrows at you. They've conditioned you to believe that your uniqueness is a liability, but in reality, it's actually your superpower. Think about it. Every groundbreaking idea, every visionary, every billionaire, they all leaned into what made them different. Let's unravel why staying weird is the wealth generating cheat code you've been ignoring. Think about this: weird is just another word for unique. And in today's crowded cookie cutter world, unique is what stands out. Unique gets noticed. Unique gets paid. Take Lady Gaga, for example, who was mocked for being too dramatic. But that same boldness turned her into a global superstar. Or Elon Musk, weird kid obsessed with space and tech. Now the guy's building rockets, electric cars, robots, and he's worth billions of dollars. Or even Kanye West, although this one doesn't need much explanation. Your weirdness, it's the signal in the noise. But most people drown it out because they're afraid. Afraid of being judged, excluded, or labeled. But the very things people teased you about as a kid ends up being the very thing that leads to your success as an adult. And those same people judging you, they're the same ones who'll end up paying for what only you can offer. So how do you actually leverage your weirdness into wealth? Number one, identify what that quirky uniqueness and weirdness is. What's that thing you love that others don't get? That quirky skill, hobby, or even perspective. That's your gold mine. Number two, own it, refine it, and elevate it. Don't just embrace your weirdness, master it. Hone in on your skills, deepen your knowledge, and present your uniqueness with confidence. That quirk, make that quirk so good that no one can ignore it. The world doesn't just respect raw talent, it admires polished brilliance. Number three, broadcast and monetize it. Turn your passion into profit. Start a business, build a brand, share your story. Your weirdness isn't just a hobby, it's a niche waiting to be filled. But let's address the big elephant in the room: fear. The fear of standing out, it's primal. It's almost as if it's like baked into us. Standing out used to mean danger in the past, but now in today's 21st century, it means opportunity. Every billionaire you admire, they felt that fear too. The only difference is they leaned into it. And you'll be tempted to shrink as well, to mute your colors, to apologize for being too bold, but don't. The thing you're scared to show the world is exactly what the world needs. And here's the ultimate truth: wealth isn't just money, it's freedom. Freedom to be unapologetically you, freedom to create, to connect, and thrive in a way that feels natural to you. When you embrace your weirdness, you're not just chasing wealth, because at that point, you're attracting it. Weird is bold. Weird is beautiful. And weird, weird is where the money lives. So go ahead. Be that person they can't stop talking about. Build that thing they never saw coming. And laugh all the way to the bank. And when you start cashing in, don't forget to come back and tell me about it, because I'm here cheering you right on. The world is waiting for your weird. Shh. If you love this, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comment section what makes you weird. Let's celebrate together.